So we continue with exercise 14 of theorems on area, and we are done till sum number 14. So now we do the sum number 15b. Okay, alternate sums. So the next one is sum number 15b. So sum number 15b is this way. You're given a triangle with perimeter as 37. So you have over here a triangle which is having 3 altitudes. Okay, they given you here that a perimeter, that is B, C, L, N, M and A. Yeah. AB plus BC plus AC is equals to 37. So let us take it as A plus B plus C is equals to 37. You are given that the respective altitudes, AM is 5x. So AM is equals to 5x. BN is 6x, and CL is equals to 4x. Okay, so that means that we need to find out the sides of the triangle, obvious. So we know one thing, that area triangle is equals to half into base into height. And we have got 3 bases and 3 heights over here. So the first equation would be that half into base will be A into 5x is equal to half into B into 6x is equal to half into C into 4x. This is what we have got. Right? And we also know that A plus B plus C is equal to 37. Fine. Now what? Okay, let's take it this way, that A plus B is equal to 37. Okay, A is equal to is equal to 37 minus B minus C. So half into 37 minus B minus C is equals to half into B into 6x, sorry, into 5x is equals to half into 6x. ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, we first write half into B into 6x is equals to half into C into 4x. So half of gets cancelled. So B is equals to C into 4x upon 6x. X cancels, this is 3 upon 2. So B is equals to 2 upon 3 C. Okay. We can also find out half into B, half into A into 5x is equals to half into B into 6x. Right? So half of gets cancelled. You got A is equals to A is equals to 6B into 6x upon 5x. So A is equals to 6 upon 5B. So you can see that नहीं, I think एक गड़बड़ कर दिया मैंने. I should have taken this as C only. So A will take it as C and this is 4. So this is 4, this is C. So this will be equal to A is equals to 4 upon 5 C. So we know here this is not required. We know here that A plus B plus C is 37. So it is 4 upon 5 C plus 2 upon 3 C plus C is 37. Because A plus B plus C is equal to 37. Accordingly, the LCM will be over here as 15. This will be as 12C plus 10C plus 15C is equal to 37. So that is 37. Yeah, very good. 37C upon 15 is equal to 37. So C, I'll just write here, C is equal to 37 into 15 upon 37. So C is equal to 15 centimeters. We now find out B is 2 upon 3. So B is equal to 2 upon 3 into 15. That is equal to 10 centimeters. And C is equal to 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 into 15. That is 12 centimeters. That's the answer. The sides are 12, 10 and 15. Okay. This is C. Sorry. A. So C is this part. AC is 15. The BC is 10 and this is 12. Okay, this is the answer to this question. Sum number 15B. Okay. Next one, sum number 16. Sum number 16. Okay, this is A, B, C. This is E, G, and F. You are given certain things that E is the midpoint. So E is the midpoint. So AE is equal to EB. Second thing they are given of triangle AB is an EBCF. EBCF is a parallelogram. So this is parallelogram. Okay. And you are given the area ABC is equal to 25 centimeter square or square units. You need to find the area. Find area EBCF. It is similar to the one sum earlier we had done. I think sum number 14. Quite similar one. उसमें rectangle था, इसमें नहीं है. So simple thing is that we just going to try and make this two as congruent. We are going to prove that these two are congruent. So we know that AE is equal to EB, but EB is equal to FC. So if this is equal to this and this is equal to this, so this is equal to this. हो गया वो clear. ये angle vertically opposite angle. अब third क्या? Now I know that E is the midpoint of AB and EF is parallel to BC. So by converse of midpoint theorem, G will be the midpoint of AC So this will be test A. SS तो होता नहीं है तो लफड़ा है. Okay, we'll have to do something else. G becomes the midpoint of this part. नहीं होगा वो. Okay, we'll take parallel lines. ये नहीं होगा. उसके पहले parallel line लेंगे because you know that this is parallel to this. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So it will be AAS test. Okay, this will be equal to this one. Okay, let's write it down. Now, in triangle AEG and triangle CFG, AE is equals to EB, E midpoint, and EB is equals to FC, sides of parallelogram. Therefore, AE is equals to FC. Second is angle EAG is equals to angle GCF because BA parallel to CF because EBFC is parallelogram, and angle AGE is equals to angle CGF, vertically opposite angles. This makes us triangle AEG congruent to triangle CFG by AAS test. So now we know that area ABC is equals to area BCGE plus area AEG, and area EBCF is equals to area BCGE plus area CFG. But because these two are equal, so therefore area ABC is equals to area EBCF. Therefore area AEBCF is equals to 25 square units. Okay, this is F. Is 25 square units because this is 25, so this will also be 25. That is what we need to find out. Okay, that was sum number 16. Now we move on to sum number 17B, the last sum of the exercise and the chapter. First of all, the figure quite complicated. Right, so we have over here that this is A, B and C, a triangle जिसके दो एक AB के साइड पे एक स्क्वायर है which is G and ABGF, and this again square BCDE, and this is N. Okay, so we have got over here that ABC is a right angle triangle at angle A. So this is 90 degree. AGFB is a square on side AB. BCDE is a square on hypotenuse BC. If AN is perpendicular to AD, prove that BCF is equals to ABE. Okay, BCF and ABE. Okay, BCF and ABE. ठीक है, और दूसरा है एरिया ABFG. अच्छा, ABFG is equal to rectangle BEMN. अच्छा, ये वाला. ठीक है, let's see what we can see, what we can do about it. Fine. So first thing is what we prove is area triangle BCF is you need to prove congruency triangle ACE, and second is area ABFG is equals to area BENM. Okay, congruency first. So we know that this side is equals to this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this side is equals to this side is equal to this side is equals to this side. So you can see that in triangle BFC एक साइड में एक डंडी है और दूसरे साइड में दो डंडी है, और यहाँ पे ABE में भी एक साइड में एक डंडी है, दूसरे साइड में दो डंडी है. So automatically two sides are equal. Now you know that this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So this angle over here, so this angle, this plus 90 is equal to this plus 90. So again, same thing. So if this is x, so this angle FBC is x plus 90, and EBA is also x plus 90. So easily by SAS test, the triangles are congruent. Let's write it down. In triangle BCF and triangle ACE, BCF and ABE. ABE. We know that FB is equals to AB. Okay, we'll write it as, you write the right correspondence. So it will be, you're writing your BCF, तो यहाँ पे आएगा BAE. Okay, so now FB is equals to, नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, FB is equals to BC. FB is equals to BC. FB is equals to ठीक है, देखते हैं. FB is equals to AB, right? Sides of square. The next we have got is BC is equals to BE. Again the same reason, sides of square. Now angle FBA is equals to 90 degrees. Angle CBE is equals to 90 degrees. Angles of square. Therefore angle FBA plus angle ABC is equals to angle CBE plus angle ABC. Therefore angle FBC is equals to angle ABE. Therefore triangle BCF congruent to triangle BEA by SAS test. Okay, we prove that the areas are equal. Now we want to say that ABFG is equal to half of this part. ठीक. Now, okay, so we know that this area and this area will also be equal, and this area will be equal to this area. Right. ये area square is equal to this area of rectangle. Now this area of rectangle will be equal to double of the triangle area of the, yeah, okay, got it. See, now you can see that FB and GC are parallel lines, and therefore ये triangle का area will be double of the square, sorry, square का double हो जाएगा, so that will be area ABC will be equal to half area ABGF ABFG. Okay, because same base BF and AG parallel to FB. AG parallel to FB or AC parallel to FB. Next we know that area ABE, that is this triangle, and this rectangle, both are on the same base BE and parallel lines over here. So area ABE is equal to half area BENM, same base BE and AN parallel to BE. Okay, this and this are parallel to each other. Okay, because this is also 90 and this is also 90, so दोनों 90 90 है तो parallel हो गया. But this and this are equal. ABC कहाँ से आ गया? अरे यार, FBC, yeah, FBC. So the FBC and ABE are already equal. We have proved FBC and what I am writing. One sec, I made a mistake here. क्या करता? Okay, this is A. Yeah, so FBC and ABE are already equal, proved. So automatically this two will be equal. So therefore half area ABFG is equal to half area BENM, because since area ABE is equal to area FBC, therefore area ABFG is equal to area BENM. Hence proved. This is what we require for the last sum. Got it? This triangle is half of this square and this triangle is half of this rectangle. So automatically this square and this rectangle will be having equal areas. I'll just show it again. This triangle is with the base BF with this particular square. So automatically ये triangle का area will be half of this one. Similarly, we have over here that this triangle and BE is a common base for this rectangle also. So the area of the rectangle or area of the triangle will be twice the area of the rectangle. So automatically area of the rectangle is twice the area of the triangle. So यहाँ पे भी half of the rectangle is the triangle and here half of the square is the of this triangle. Now this triangle and this triangle we already proved it to be equal, congruent because of the congruency test of SAS over here. That's why this and this are equal. Okay. So this was about the area theorem. So we have completed the chapter area theorem with this particular video. Thank you.